Logan Mason. With more than 70 years of experience, we are leaders in the Mexican household bedding industry. Founded in 1953 as Colchas Manchester, we have always been at the forefront of the national market by pioneering the use of synthetic fabrics such as polyester microfiber since the 90s, introducing our company to a globalized world. We have built transnational relationships and broken price barriers. We have positioned ourselves as one of the best companies in the industry by offering an affordable service and high-quality alternative. Offering the best and most original designs and products has helped us achieve a wide number of happy customers. Over the last decade, we have grown exponentially by creating a brand new infrastructure focused on retail, reaching more than 4,000 points of sale, and we keep going forward. Our headquarters, located in the state of Mexico, have well over 250,000 square feet of warehouse space. Over 500 collaborators are part of our team. We pride ourselves on providing more than 1,500 indirect jobs. To achieve maximum excellence in quality and service, we perform product development, production, and OTIF, on-time in-full logistics processes. A well-made product will be delivered on time. Our in-house design department remains at the forefront, creating exclusive designs for each season. We harbor an international logistics department, expediting import-export processes. We currently produce over 1 million products per month, and we constantly increase our installed capacity to meet the ever-growing demand on the market, both national and global. Quality is one of our distinctive traits. We own the most integral and exhaustive quality control process, complying with a plethora of international standards of inspection and sampling. We guarantee 100% of our products meet the level of excellence our customers deserve. Each year, our internal logistics travel more than 1 million miles, delivering our products on time in key spots. We know we live in an ever-changing world, so we are expanding our reach into the United States and Canada. To this end, we have introduced the first fully automated and specialized factory line in Latin America, exponentially increasing our capacity to achieve peak efficiency and volume in production. Logan Mason. Exceeding half a century worth of experience, we value the past, embrace the present, and stare at the future with passion, creativity, and commitment. Logan Mason. Comfort, quality, and service within everyone's reach.